is my first ever vlog and I am outside my house waiting for my car to come and I'm going on a trip. I'm going on a trip to Shimla. It's actually not Shimla, it's kind of near Shimla, a resort. But I'm so excited and I'll keep you guys updated. So I just got done with my breakfast and now we are moving ahead. I basically had a very bad experience. I didn't eat my breakfast. I just started crying because a lizard just came near to my feet and I was like, no, I can't eat here anymore. So I just went back and I have my coffees. Hi Dad! It's not a photo, it's a video. So we just took a stop here. We were in the car since a very long time and we all were tired. So we took a stop to eat some chhalli and some tea. So we're gonna reach our resort in a very short time. And I'm so excited for this trip. I'm like here with around 7 families, like they're all our family friends. So we just took a stop here to click pictures. And they're all busy and I'm vlogging here, so I'll just show you the view. Hey guys, so I finally reached to my resort and it is beautiful and I'm definitely gonna show you my room, but the thing is that I'm standing here and I have to go at the other corner and it's so tough, it's so slippery, it's not less than a trek. So I'll take you through, so let's go. I was there and these are not even proper stairs. Maybe the idea of the resort is like this, they wanted it to be raw. Like every day, like for next 4 days I have to do this kind of an up and down and I'm liking it. Go there, like there's my room. Like there are my friends. Fail. Hey guys, so it's an end to the day 1. I'm off to sleep, I'm really tired. So I will see you tomorrow, which is gonna be day 2. Bye.